Here's how to get your new Vive Focus 3 ready to go. Take the headset, controllers, and accessories out of the box. The accessories in the box include an AC adapter, splitter cable, cleaning cloth, quick start guide, and the safety and warranty cards. Hold the headset, and then take off the magnetic backpad. Align the battery with the battery slot, and then push in the battery to click it into place. Make sure you don't forget to reattach the backpad to the headset. Plug the charger into the battery, and then plug the charger into a wall socket to charge the battery. Charge the controllers by connecting them to the side of the headset with the USB splitter cable. Turn on the headset to start charging the controllers. Turn on the headset by pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds. Install the Vive Manager app on your phone from your App Store. Follow the instructions in the app to get started. The app will help you pair your controllers and set up Wi-Fi. Next, check out our Vive Focus 3 Getting Started video on YouTube to learn how to set up your headset and play area.